This dance is called It's So Easy. It's a 32 count, full wall, beginner level line dance. Starting on the right foot, we're going to vine to the right. So we step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right. Step the left back to the left diagonal. Touch the right beside the left. Step the right back to the right diagonal. Touch the left beside the right. That set of steps once more then. Vining to the right. 7, 8. Side, behind, side. Touch, back, touch, back, touch. We're going to do a similar set of steps now. So we're going to vine to the left. So we step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left. Now rather than going backwards, we're going to travel forwards. So we're going to step the right forward to the right diagonal, touch the left beside the right. Left forward to the left diagonal, touch the right beside the left. That set of steps once more then, vining to the left, left foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, step, touch, step, touch. So let's add those two sections together. Vining to the right, off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, back, touch, back, touch, side, behind, side, touch, step, touch, step, touch. Step the right to the side, rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right. Step the left to the side, rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. Chassé to the right. So this is the only instance in this dance where we're going to have an and count. So it's this 1 and 2 count timing steps, side, close, side, travelling to the right, right, close, right. That set of steps once more then. Side, back rock, off on the right. 7, 8, side, back, rock, side, back, rock, right, chassé. Remember those and count timing steps are a little bit quicker than the others. So let's add that on to the top. Vining to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, back, touch, back, touch, side, behind, side, touch, step, touch, step, touch, side, back, rock, side, back, rock, right, chassé. Jazz box with a quarter turn and a step at the end. So we're going to cross the left over the right, step back on that right. Make a quarter turn left as you step that left forward. And make sure on this turn you have completely turned your body, you haven't got a twist in it, even if it means that back heel gets lifted slightly off the floor. And then step forward on the right. That's your jazz box quarter turn with a step. Just to finish the dance, nice and easy, we're going to walk forward, left, right, left, kick the right forward. So that last little set of steps then, jazz box, off on the left. 7, 8, cross, back, turn, step, walk, 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 kick. Let's put it all together. Vining to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, back, touch, side, behind, side, touch, step, touch, side, back, rock, right chassé, cross, back, turn, step, walk, kick. So like I say, the only hand count in there is in that chassé, so that's the only bit where the steps are a little bit quicker. Now the music is a little bit faster than that, and it is a 4-wall dance. So what we'll do is we'll repeat the front wall, speed it up just a little bit, and then we'll keep going around the other 3 walls. Vine into the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, back, touch, side, behind, side, touch, step, side, back, rock, right chassé, cross, back, turn, step, walk, kick, side, behind, side, touch, back, touch, side, behind, side, touch, step, side, back, rock, right chassé, cross, back, turn, step, walk, kick, side, behind, side, touch, back, side, behind, side, touch, step, side, back, rock, right chassé, cross, back, turn, step, walk, kick, side, behind, side, touch, back, side, behind, side, touch, step, side, back, rock, right chassé, cross, back, turn, step, walk, kick. So that is your dance and your walk-through. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Side, behind, side, touch, back, touch, side, behind, side, touch, step, side, back, rock, right chassé, cross, back, turn, step, walk, kick, side, behind, side, touch, back, side, behind, side, touch, step, side, back, rock, right chassé, cross, back, turn, step, walk, kick, side, behind, side, touch, back, side, behind, side, touch, step, side, back, rock, right chassé, cross, back, turn, step, walk, kick, side, behind, side, touch, back, side, behind, side, touch, step, right chassé, cross, back, turn, step, walk, kick, vine, side back rock, jazz, vine, side back rock, jazz, vine, side back rock, chassé, jazz, vine, side back rock, jazz. Hope you managed that one.